USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. Before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And below the video, you'll find some links. You can check them out. You can join free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. And check out the brokers and the prop firm here and register with them to start your trading. So let's get back and start the analysis. Before that, subscribe and like and all of that. That's your thing. You have to do it. Okay, so let's come to the chart starting with top down approach with weekly chart. In weekly, we are down. And this was a pullback. Then we are going down again. Let's get back to daily. We are in the downtrend. We are going down. Okay. And if you come to 4 hour, we are already down. So look for shorts only. Okay. This is where everybody else will end the video, that the trend is down. Look for shorts after each pullback. Now, I will tell you what you should do. Okay. They will not tell you the numbers. Okay. I'm going to tell you the numbers. I'm expecting USDCAD to go down until 3750. Right now you can see the price is 3808. I'm expecting it to go to 1.3750. This is not something somebody will tell you for free. Okay, what they will tell you: trend is down, look for shorts after each pullback. Tata, bye bye, subscribe, like. Right, I'm telling you, in daily we are going to cross this previous low. Okay, the previous low was at 3776. I'm expecting it to go to 1.3750. Okay, so once you start making profits after the short position, trail your stop loss and exit out as soon you reach 1.3750 if you want to trade USD CAD. Otherwise, you can trade other major pairs such as Euro or GBP. Okay, if you like what you see, subscribe, like, it's all free. Check out the brokers and prop firm and this Telegram. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.